Hello everyone, this is Karan from IIT Delhi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my journey of 2021. Today is the last day of 2021 and it is going to fade away very soon. We are going to enter in a new year, so I just decided to tell you my journey of 2021. Basically my exam journey, that is IIT JAM journey, my YouTube journey and also my IIT first semester journey. So this video will be going to be like a very casual conversation session or casual session with you guys, in which I will be telling you my experience, what the lessons I learned and what were the mistakes that I had committed which you should not do. So let's just get started. So if I see and if I tell in short, my 2021 year was kind of a mixed. Like, I cannot say it was very good, I cannot say it was very bad. It was kind of balanced. Okay, why balanced? Because academically it was very good. I got a good rank in IIT JAM, All India rank 83. I got IIT Delhi. Academically it was very good, and also for my YouTube also it was very good. I just hit my 1000, 2000, 3000 subscribers in this year only. But if I see from health perspective, let it be my health or the health of other people in general, it was not good, because I also had several health issues, and also the COVID pandemic second wave took lives of many people, so it was not good at all. So 2021 was a mixed year for me as well. Just comment down below how was your 2021. Okay, so let's get started to the journey. I still remember the time of January when I was preparing for my JAM examination last year. I cannot even believe that 1 year has passed by since then. So I was preparing for my JAM. Obviously, a lot of the things were left. My revision, small topics completion, test series, so on, blah 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 blah. And I also remember the Delhi University third year 6th semester classes. I used to miss them all, and I was like, I am not going to attend them till my JAM examination. That was kind of a small mistake I did, because ultimately when you go into masters, your knowledge of the topics will be more important rather than the tricks. But if you are someone who is left with so much of syllabus or like some important topics, then you can obviously miss, because Delhi University obviously going to be OBE. Okay, leave it apart then. I was saying that this was my semester time. I just missed my classes and so on, and I was just preparing my JAM. I was getting demotivated every time that what will happen, what will not happen, ये होगा वो होगा, रैंक आएगी नहीं आएगी. तो ये गलती भी नहीं करनी है, रैंक वगैरह के बारे में नहीं सोचना है. I used to daydream about IIT Bombay. This is also which you should not do, कि हम यहाँ जाएंगे, ये हो जाएगा, नाम क्या क्या IIT Bombay लगेगा, ये रैंक आएगी. Don't even assume about that. Okay. So the one day before my JAM exam came, that is 13th February 2021. मेरा एग्जाम 14 फेब को था, वैलेंटाइंस डे के दिन. ठीक है, तो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर मेरा 3 से 6 पेपर था, और मेरे सारे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स सब लोग बोल रहे थे कि जस्ट गो एंड गिव द पेपर, डू योर बेस्ट, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, ऑल द बेस्ट एंड सो ऑन ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. एंड बट दिस ऑल्सो यू नो दैट हाउ मच हैव यू प्रिपेयर्ड, दैट डजंट मैटर. फाइनल पेपर के दिन हालत खराब होती है. You really feel very worried and tensed at on the last day of your examination, last day of your journey. That is, you have your exam tomorrow, for which you were preparing for since 2 years. So यही था. मेरे को भी बहुत डर लग रहा था. रात में भी बहुत अजीब से मैं सोया किसी तरह. ठीक है. And then सुबह on 14 February I started final revision of my topics, small topics, nuclear chemistry, formula sheets and so on. Nuclear chemistry was something which I had not revised till now, till then. Basically कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स भी थे जो मैंने कभी भी रिवाइज नहीं कर रहे थे. मैंने उनको उस दिन सुबह उठाया, 14 February, that morning, that day. That was also one of my mistake, and not mistake actually, I revised but I did not revise completely. That was also the blunder I made. I'll let you know why I said this. Okay, so when I was my exam was scheduled from 3 PM to 6 PM, and then also I was revising at my home till 12 PM. This is the blunder I made, because obviously you should not study at that day of examination. But मैंने किया था, पता नहीं, I was not feeling satisfied with myself, so I just had to study that. And due to the result of this, what happened, I reached my examination center not on time. I did not reach on time. Basically just 2 or 5 minutes before the examination time I reached my center. That was another mistake. I panicked, but I reached actually. Now how, like, मैं बता नहीं सकता क्या हुआ था. देखो, I was just revising my nuclear chemistry as I mentioned, and I was just going through the Q value and something, and I was very sure at my day of examination that ये तो कभी jam में नहीं आया. This had not come in jam examination till yet, so ये नहीं आएगा. Just leave it. First of all, I did revision on the last day of the exam, before something 3 hours of the exam. One mistake. I was revising nuclear. Second mistake, I revised entire nuclear but left Q values thinking that exam में नहीं आएगा. So don't just pre-assume anything, because जब मैं पेपर देने बैठा, I have the habit of going through the paper once completely in the starting. As soon as I clicked on my NAT section, the first question that popped up on the screen was NAT question of nuclear chemistry Q value. I was like, damn man, what the hell? ये क्या हो गया यार, ये क्या हो गया. तो ठीक था, वो तो खराब लगा ही लगा, बहुत खराब लगा. And then one thing more I would advise, please and please, I'm not going to, like, I don't mean any offense to anyone, but please calculator वगैरह use करो. Okay, start using virtual calculator which is provided on the screen, so that you have the habit. Why I am saying this? Because when I was sitting in my examination hall, my center was not too big, it was a bit smaller one, so we were just having seats very nearby to each other. Okay, so the person sitting next to me, I don't know his name and I don't have any offense, I'm just using this example to let you guys know what you should not do. Okay, what happened was, he was not aware of virtual calculator, he was not aware how to open the screen test and so on. He had not even gone through the mock test interface. He was just continuously asking me, listen, how should I use calculator, listen, ये कहाँ क्या करना है, calculator कैसे use करना है, on the main time of examination. I was like, please let me do my examination man. मैं कैलकुलेटर यूज करना सिखाऊंगा, चीटिंग का हो जाएगा उल्टा ये तो ये सब चीज़ें नहीं करनी है. देन दी पेपर पॉप्ड अप ऑन द स्क्रीन, मतलब पेपर तो चल ही रहा था, सॉरी. आई जस्ट realized that NAT section is quite lengthier, paper is a trickier one, not easy as compared, because MCQ में options eliminate जल्दी नहीं हो रहे थे. कुछ easy थे जो कर लिए. पेरिसाइक्लिक किया, मैं खुश हो गया, पेपर easy है. पीरियोडिक का NLM किया, पेपर इजी है. बट जब आगे चला तो पता चला कि पेपर पता नहीं क्या ही है, व्हाट इज दिस. सो 1 hour was left and my NAT and MSQ were entirely left. So that was the mistake. And when I was reading Kaleden at my point of time, I had read some of the chapters, not completely obviously, in my preparation. That was when I was reading chapter 7, which I had also taught you on YouTube. I was reading about tomato color and so on. I was so damn confident that ये तो कभी नहीं पूछेगा, हटाओ इसको. And the MSQ first question was related to tomato color, red color pigment directly from Kaleden. I was like bit panicked more because ये मेरा लक साथ नहीं दे रहा था उस टाइम पे. But किसी तरह पेपर पूरा किया. But since 1 hour was left and so much of the things were left, I actually panicked a lot. And this made me to commit a lot of silly mistakes, like 2 to the power 3 is equal to 6. Density is equal to mass into volume, and solving the lattice energy question to be a wronger one. And Cramps rule तो मेरे को आता नहीं था, मुझे नहीं आता था. And उस क्वेश्चन को तो मैंने 100% कॉन्फिडेंटली गलत किया है, मतलब मजे से गलत किया है, एकदम श्योर होकर मैंने उसको गलत किया है. तो अगर कभी ऐसा क्वेश्चन हो, सो प्लीज डोंट अटेम्प्ट, बिकॉज नेगेटिव चला जाता है. If it is MSQ or NAT, you can, but if it is MCQ, please don't, because otherwise you will be having negative marking for sure. पेपर हैपेंड, किसी तरह कर रहा था, करते 10 9 8 7 5 4 3 2 1 and screen went off. Paper was finished. The exam which I was preparing for was finished, and you will not even realize how will these 3 hours pass by, because it will seem like 5 minutes. Very fast. I couldn't complete the paper. I couldn't even do as per my expectations, but I was sure to get around 60 or 60 plus marks. But because I was not expecting that, I was not calculating or accounting for that silly mistakes which I did. I was like, I have done correctly, because दिमाग काम नहीं करता ना पेपर का टाइम पे. But still that was not my up to my expectations, because मैंने तो presumptions कर रखे थे कि मैं IIT बॉम्बे जाऊंगा. कभी गलती मत करना, don't do this mistake at any point of time. Me and my friend had the same center, and I just met him and he asked me, भाई कैसा गया? I was like speechless, क्या बोलूँ, कुछ नहीं. I was like, तुम्हारा कैसा गया? He was very good in studies. He is currently in IIT Bombay, All India Rank 20, संदीप मिश्रा. तो उसके साथ मेरा पेपर गया था and he was like ठीक ही गया. I was like तुम्हारा ठीक गया तो मेरा तो फिर रहने ही दो. मेरा तो फिर रहने ही दो. So I was very sad, very sad, like on the verge of crying because I was not aware of the paper. One thing more, until and unless your result come, please don't be so much sad because the paper here is relative. If you have done wrong or if your paper went bad, that does not mean you will get a bad rank because this paper is relative. At least IIT semester ka pata nahi, but at least this paper is relative. Depending upon how other people perform, you will be getting your rank. Okay. I just reached home, opened some random channel and they were saying that paper was damn easy. Again, my mood went completely off. I just left everything and just asked, like I want to be alone for some point of time, and slowly and steadily when I started talking to people, I realized that paper was really tough for everyone. So I was like, at least chalo relative mein to bach jayenge. Okay, result आया, official answer किया ही, marks वगैरह आया था. I was expecting a rank around 250 for according to last year cutoff, but I got all India rank 83. So one more lesson to be learned here, that you should not pre-assume anything until and unless your results come, because this paper is relative, not absolute. Okay, how others perform will be also determining your rank. Okay, so that is why don't worry at all if your paper goes bad. If very bad, then it's a different case obviously. Okay, relative. So just wait till your results. Until and unless your ranks come officially, just wait. So my rank came, and just a second, I have cold again. So my ranks came and I got All India rank 83. I was so happy and damn sure to get IIT Delhi now. IIT Delhi, and then was the time when COVID struck me and my family. I suffered from COVID. I was just completely lying down on my bed completely for the day and month, full month actually. And that was the turning point of my YouTube career, I would say. I decided to pursue, start IIT JAM on my YouTube channel, following the advice of one, what I would call as an elder brother, not a brother obviously, a person whom I met. I call him as Bhaiya, senior Bhaiya, or you can also call Sir. I met on Instagram, Rahul Sir. So from RG Lectures, I guess, if he watches, so he will be seeing. He advised me to continue IIT JAM on my YouTube channel, and that was the point of time when I started IIT JAM. I started with what is IIT JAM, how best strategy for IIT JAM. When I recorded these two videos for IIT JAM, I was still suffering from COVID. So that was the time where I started making videos for IIT JAM, and like this way my JAM YouTube journey started, and I gained a very good response from your side, from all of your side. Thank you to the love and support, because I got 1K subscribers on 1st of July this year. All this happened YouTube. IIT Delhi was allotted. I had this IIT tag. I became IITian, and it was feeling so nice. I got a good network build up. I got in touch with so many people like Yogi sir. I got in touch with so many good people, good YouTubers of these IIT tag and so on YouTube. And no matter what about IIT tag, I would say, with the connections, but I got to meet so many new people with these JAM, related to JAM, YouTube and so on. So I realized that everything that happens for a good reason. I will let you know why also. Because now when I came to IIT, then my IIT journey starts. First of all, I have already made one video, life versus dream versus reality. Don't expect anything from IIT, because IIT दिखता नाम से अच्छा है, but इतना अच्छा है मतलब शायद हेक्टिक बहुत पड़ेगा, मतलब इतना मजे नहीं आने वाले कभी लाइफ में, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन सेमेस्टर था. We had our online semester, we had never seen our classmates, we had never met each other in offline mode, and still we were just discussing, randomly gossiping on WhatsApp group calls and so on, talking about this class, that class, and how to complete this assignment, that assignment, so many assignments. 3.5 month semester with 2 exams, like minor and major, basically mid semester and end semester, and the exams happen daily, like back to back. You don't get the gaps. Okay, so this is how IIT was. too much hectic, too much stressful, and finally semester like completed. So what I would like to say, don't just pre-assume anything. This was my year, and everything happens for a good, because IIT Bombay, if I had been in IIT Bombay, I would have not got time to even make videos for all of you, because that is too hectic. I would not have got time to teach, which I'm doing right now. I would not have got time to make videos for all of you and do some other stuff, explore my passion of teaching. So whatever happens for a good, obviously. So that was just my year 2021. I was just wanted to share with all of you, share with you some of my mistakes, what you should do, what you should not do, what you should not have pre-assumptions in your mind. So this was my year 2021. A mixed year. Okay, so just comment me in the comment section below, how was your 2021? Enjoy the New Year's Eve today. Enjoy the last day of 2021. Party in your home, obviously. Stay safe from Omicron COVID, and also celebrate the New Year tomorrow, and we will see you with chemistry videos, study videos, isoprene linkages, strategy tips from 2nd January 2021. So Chemistry with Karan wishes you and your family a very happy New Year. We'll see you in the later video. Till then, stay tuned with Chemistry with Karan. Thank you so much. Happy New Year 2022 from my side.